Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you for coming and watching. Unfortunately, I do have a cold again. I can't get rid of these colds. I hate the wintertime, especially in this area. So if I sound a little nasally, that's why. Sorry, but we'll get through it. Anyway, I am on to my second Allure box, Allure Beauty box. The first one I received was the January box that was really good, and everybody was like, oh my gosh, I gotta have it. There's Sunday Riley products in there, so I canceled my AP magazine to get this subscription, and I did cancel it. So I know last time I said I was thinking about it, I didn't know what to do. I canceled it, so it justifies this. I also put myself on the Ipsy waiting list for the glam bag, so we're waiting to hear from that. And without further ado, I have not seen anything. I've seen a couple videos of people saying, how do they do this? So, you know, I'm quite interested to see what's in this box, because it looks like from the thumbnails that people are very happy with the boxes. But I did not look because I like to be surprised. I try not to even look at the emails and stuff that they send me. The only thing I do look at is in Birchbox. There is a, where you can pick an item. I do that. That way at least I pick something I know I want. But anyway, so this is a subscription. I know I should have looked. I think it's like $15 a month. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I will get my facts straight and let you know. But anyway, this is what it looks like when you open it up. I love how it's like a pale pink. And then it's got a little card in there. Shop every day, dainty jewelry essentials. Okay, this is just a gift thing for $25 off at a jewelry site. All right. And this is the little booklet that comes with it. And it tells you, I don't want to look through it because it tells you about the things. So I'll look through that in just a second. And it's not as heavy as last month, but this is the bag that it comes in. I really like the bags, but every time they're broken. I don't know if you can fix them or not. I did, and it's broken on that side too. I did save it. I thought it's cute. All right, so we open the bag and some goodies in there. So let's get started. I'm going to pull out the foil packet first. And there is a lot. Oh, it's a mask. Okay. So we have, hold on, let me find the description of this. Where are you? Where are you? No, now I'm seeing what's in there. I don't want to see. I don't want to see. Oh, well, I guess I'm seeing. I don't even see this mask. Is that it? Okay, here it is. All right. So it says it is using one, oh, it's a K Beauty sheet. Using one of these K Beauty sheet masks makes my skin feel like I've just poured an entire bottle of serum on my face. They're super hydrating. You know I'm going to butcher this name. Mamondes, M-A-M-O-N-D-E-S sheet masks come in several varieties. You'll get one in your box. And each is infused with nourishing botanical extracts and moisturizing hydraulic acid and glycerin, which are essential now that temperatures are dropping fast. Yeah, tell me about it. Wait, I can't wait for spring. The sheet mask itself is made from eucalyptus pulp, which adheres well to skin. My favorite way to use one of these masks is after stepping into my apartment on a cold night once I'm warm and cozy inside. I smooth it on for a much needed moisture. The scents are delicate and prettier than the average sheet mask. The rose mask, for example, smells like my favorite rose perfume. And this is priced at $7 for a mask. I know K-Beauty stuff is expensive, but, and this one is in pomegranate. I'm sure you guys seen that before I did because I was holding it up there. And I like pomegranate. I love pomegranate. I might have to try this tonight. Maybe it'll make me feel a little better. I doubt it. Alright, so the next item I'm going to pull out, I've heard of this company before, Model Company Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. Alright, so it says, let's go ahead and pull it out for you, see what shades we got. I don't know if I've tried this before. It looks like a Smashbox, one of their things. So that is the shades. All right, and it says each of the powder eyeshadows in this trio, burgundy, pinky, champagne, brown, creates a sheer wash of glittering color, which makes them perfect everyday shimmers. The brown just so happens to be a great nude for my lids, and the burgundy is easy to wear because it's not too pigmented. The colors are pretty on their own, but I also use the champagne as a highlight to give burgundy or brown lids an extra splash of dimension. Tap it on the center of the lids and at the inner corners. For intense color payoff, spray your brush with a little water first. I use Max Fix Plus when I do that, and it works great. I always use these with a wet brush. Try the Moda brush in your box. Surprise, we're getting a brush in the box. And this is priced at $15. So let's do, they're tiny little pans. So let's do some swatches and see. They feel soft. They feel really soft and buttery. Let's see what they look like. And know that swatches you have to try it on your eye. You can't go by what a swatch looks like. Although that looks pretty good. That one's really light. Oh, wow. Okay. Try to blend them up a little bit. They look, let's see if they build up. I'm going to put a little bit more on top and see if they build it all. That red is pretty. They are such small pans though, so I don't know how long that will last. But yeah, they build. They definitely build up. Hold on, I'll show you 1 second. They look really nice. Look at that. That's very pretty. Okay, I will, I have a Hush haul coming. Should be in the mail tomorrow or the next day. So I will try to wear that when I do that video so you guys can see what that looks like. Not bad. All right, so let's move on to the next item. Let's pull out the brush since it was ruined in there. All right, so that is the brush. Let's take it out of its package. Actually, it looks like a really nice brush. I have Moda brushes too, and I like them a lot. Ooh, it kind of feels really cheap though. But there's the brush. It's got an angle to it. It's very, very soft. Well, it's kind of dense too. Does it have a marking on it? Triad Eye. It doesn't have a... It does have a number, but it's hard to see. I think it's M27. Let's see. So, Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush. This soft, precise shading brush is the holy grail of eyeshadow brushes. It does so many different things really well. It makes any eyeshadow look its most vibrant. So one colleague uses it with pastels and brights. It's also perfect for contouring. Use it to sweep brown shadow across the crease and over the third of your eyelid to give it any makeup look and depth. Okay. And the price of this is only $4.99. Okay, so that's not bad for, you know, it's not like it's a very expensive brush, but hey, it's something that's affordable. We'll see how it works. It is kind of nice. No, we'll see. All right, let's move to the next item. Let's see. Never heard of this company, and is it the same thing? It is. It's that Korean beauty name that I cannot pronounce. All right, so let's see. Where are you? Okay. So that M word that I cannot pronounce, Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. My face never feels cleaner without any tightness than after I double cleanse, a popular K-beauty technique that involves using 2 face washes. Moda, I don't know, formula condenses the process into one step. It starts as an oil, then with water transforms into a foam. It dissolves my foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly. I swear it looks like I hadn't worn makeup to begin with. And mind you, I wear a lot of makeup. The formula is spiked with damask rose oil, which gives the cleanser a delicate and elegant floral scent. $21. I'm guessing for the full price or for the full size. I'm guessing this is not a full size. Can't be. It is 0.84 fluid ounces. Let's see if it... Oh, it does. And again, I don't feel well, so it's hard for me to smell because I'm all clogged up, but it's full. You probably, yeah, I guess you can kind of see it. It does smell a little rosy. We'll have to try that. Petal Spa Oil to Foam. I have had an oil to foam bath wash or body wash that I got from QVC from their Christmas Advent calendar. And I use that all up. It's in my empties. So when I go through my empties video, I'll show you that stuff. That'll be coming up pretty soon because it's getting pretty full. Okay. So I've heard a lot about this product. I have seen in the Allure Beauty Box emails that they send that they promoted this. So I was kind of figuring we would get this. And it is the Wander, or I think that's how you pronounce it, Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And let's see what it has to say. So it says, I have a mascara in every purse, multiples at my desk, and more than 4 on my vanity at any given time. I like my lashes long and thick enough to cast shadows. And as someone who goes to town with mascara, I can tell you this brand new ultra black option from Wander Beauty layers and layers without clumps and gives lashes lots of drama. Lift, question mark, check. Volume, question mark, check. Definitely, length, check. Almost, whatever that means. They're just trying to be funny. Almost to my brow bone. The brush is the perfect size to get to the roots of your lashes and coat every hair. It comes in a squeezable tube so you can get every last bit of our product out. Just don't pinch the tube with the brush inside. Oh, and here I am pinching it. It didn't smudge or flake after a full workday or gym session. When I was having some contact lens issues, even withstood a few artificial tears. And the price of this is $26. So this is more than the Better Than Sex mascara that we got. I think that was $24. And it's just a regular applicator, just like a straight one. Doesn't really have a smell to it, but again, I'm all clogged up. I'll give this one a try. I've heard a lot of good things about it. We'll see. But $26, that's a lot of money for a mascara. So I'm glad I get all these boxes. I have a repeat. All right, I just got this in... What did I get this in? I think I got it in my Birchbox. Either my Birchbox or my Ipsy bag I got this in. And this is the Douce. Every time I say it, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Eyeliner. And this is in black, right? Well, one way to find out. Yeah. And I do like it. And I don't think... I mean, it bleeds a little bit. But I think it's good for on top of your eyes or whatever. Maybe not the wing part, but right now my Kat Von D one is really getting low. So I'm actually using this right now for the line, and then I'll take my Kat Von D to do the wing with. All right, so this is $21 for this. $21. That's $1 more than the Kat Von D one. See, it must have been my Ipsy, because I would have known the price then. Must have been Ipsy that this came in. The Ultimate Liquid Liner has a super fine tip, so I can use it to draw a super thin line along my lashes. Makes them look fuller without going all in on a graphic liquid liner look. But this inky black liquid liner is great for bold looks too. Since the sturdy felt applicator gives you excellent control, use it to trace your lash line without any tugging, skipping, or blopping, which that's what I do use it for. I use it for that, not for my wing. And it works. It doesn't... I'm glad to get it. I'm not upset about this. All right. So it looks like this is the last thing. Yep. Last thing in the bag. And it is... Oh, the Brow Gal. How do I open... Okay. So it is... the Brow Gal. Let's hurry up and get this video over because I know you don't want to sit here and keep watching this. It looks like I could have got one of three things for that eyeliner. It could have either been any of these, which I like the Mally High Shine. I have that from previous stuff. And then it looks like there's a lip liner there. So I'm kind of glad that I got the eyeliner because I need it right now. And the Mally High Shine, I probably have that. I'm sure I do. But anyway, all right, so the last thing is this brow thing. And it is called the Brow Gal, the Instant Tinted Brow Gel. When I'm looking for a touch more polished than swiping on mascara and lip balm, the brow gel is just a speedy ticket. And because this formula from brow groomer extraordinaire Tanya Crooks is subtle, I know I'll never give up with unblended, angry, apostrophe brows, no matter how rushed I am. Okay, I like the things that these people say. It cracks me up. So anyway, it is $22. And they give you a promo code to save 10% as well. And it is Brown Hair 02 is the color. Oh, that's tiny. It has got a very, very tiny little spoolie. But I'm sure, it's going to be hard from this far a distance, I'm sure it'll work really nice. And I have been wanting to get a brow gel because right now I just use the It Cosmetics brow pencil. And by the end of the day, my brows are not in place anymore. I mean, it lasts most of the day, but it will fade. And my brows don't stay great. But, so yeah, I'm excited about that. So let's recap our items. So I can understand why they're super excited for this. So we've got the mask. We've got the eyeshadow that actually is pretty good pigment. We've got the foam, or oil to foam. The Wander Beauty mascara, the brush, the Brow Gal, and an eyeliner. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Wow. Okay, now I see what the everybody's saying. Whoa, how are they doing this? Okay, guys, I know this is long enough. Thank you for coming watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I appreciate it. It means so much to me. I will have a Hush haul coming. I had ordered a couple palettes from them, and we'll do that and some swatches. So hopefully that'll be tomorrow or the next day. Until then, I will see you then. And have a fantastic day, guys. I love you. Bye.